This is my microwave cooking my jacket potato. It's an easy thing. It takes about 6-7 minutes. It's a good job we have microwaves. In the oven it probably would have took about an hour. It's a very good microwave. It's a nice copper gold colour. Right, I'm going to open the microwave now and see if it's done or not. I'm gone. I need to have a oven glove to see if it's cooled down, cooked. No, it's still cooked. It still needs to be cooked a little bit more, so I'll carry on with it a little bit longer. Right, there you go. I like jacket potato with lots of nice butter and pepper. Indeed, that's what I'm going to do.